Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your best friends list. So I'll be showing you guys two methods to get people out of your best friends list on Snapchat. But keep in mind that unless people have your account and can log into your account, nobody can see your best friends list no matter what they do. So if you're trying to hide it for some reason, unless somebody has your account, then they won't be able to see your best friends. So the first method to getting rid of somebody on your Snapchat account from your best friends list is to go over to your chat. The way that best friends list works on Snapchat is they put the people who you snap the most on there. So the people that you interact with the most on Snapchat. So if you want to get somebody off of it naturally, then all you have to do is stop texting them as much, or stop snapping them as much, or stop sending them stories and such. If you stop doing those things, Snapchat will naturally just take them off of your best friends list. And if somebody does have your account login info, this is a way to stop them from seeing your best friends. If you go to your settings and you see the subsection additional services and manage, if you click on manage, then that'll bring up a couple options right here. Here, if you click on friend emojis, then that will bring up all the emojis for your best friends or your BFFs and whatever. So most people associate the heart emoji with the best friend forever, but if you want to change that, then you could just change the emoji to a random emoji so that nobody will recognize what that stands for, and they won't know what it means, and they won't know that you're best friends with them. So I could change it to this puke emoji right here, and then nobody would know who my best friends are because it's a puke emoji. And the last way to get somebody off of your best friends list is to just remove them. To block them or remove them as a friend, because if they're blocked or removed as a friend, how can they be your best friend? So if you need to get them off of your best friends list right away, then just manage friendship and remove friend or block, and that will take them right off of your best friends list. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.